where dystopia and utopia intersect, a survey of Star Trek, Strange New Worlds. You know, the line between utopia and dystopia is often blurry, and sometimes it's a matter of perspective. But what happens when we look at a society that's striving for the best, yet has some dark undercurrents? That's where we find ourselves in the Star Trek universe, particularly in the latest iteration, Strange New Worlds. This show is a prequel to the original Star Trek series, and it's set in the 23rd century. On the surface, it's a utopian society. Humanity has made contact with alien life forms, and we are part of a galactic community that values cooperation and exploration. The Federation, as it's called, is a utopian ideal of peaceful, democratic government that's dedicated to advancing the well-being of all its citizens. But scratch beneath the surface, and we find some disturbing undertones. Strange New Worlds highlights the complexities of a utopian society where the pursuit of progress and knowledge can lead to some uncomfortable questions. We see the Federation's implicit bias towards the dominant cultures, the pressure to conform to societal norms, and the dehumanizing effects of vast social hierarchies. For example, the show explores the concept of the prime directives, which seem to prioritize exploration and discovery over the welfare of the native civilizations being encountered. This raises questions about colonialism, imperialism, and the ethics of interacting with alien cultures. It's a nuanced exploration of the darker aspects of a utopian society, where the desire for progress can lead to exploitation and marginalization. At the same time, we see glimpses of a utopian society in action. The crew of the Enterprise is comprised of individuals from various backgrounds, working together towards a common goal. We see the potential for inclusivity, diversity, and cooperation, all hallmarks of a healthy, functioning society. It's this intersection of utopia and dystopia that makes Strange New Worlds so compelling. The show forces us to confront our own biases and assumptions about what constitutes a perfect society. It raises uncomfortable questions about the trade-offs we make in the name of progress and the consequences of prioritizing our own interests over those of others. By exploring this complex, multifaceted universe, we are reminded that there's no such thing as a perfect society. Every utopia has its flaws, every dystopia its silver linings, and it's in the gray areas where these opposing ideals intersect that we find the true richness and complexity of human experience.